Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix low incoming call volume on your Android phone. If the incoming call volume on your Android phone is too low, there are several potential fixes you can try. First method, increase call volume. Make sure the call volume is at its maximum level. During a call, use the volume buttons on the side of your phone to raise the call volume to the highest level. Another method, turn off Bluetooth. If your phone is connected to a Bluetooth device, like wireless headphones or speakers, that call audio might be routed there. Go to Settings, Connections, Bluetooth, and turn off Bluetooth if you're not using it. Next method, disable Do Not Disturb mode. Do Not Disturb mode can affect notification and call volume. Go to the Settings, Notifications, Do Not Disturb, and make sure it is turned off. Another method, check sound settings. Ensure your sound settings are properly configured. Go to Settings, Sounds and Vibration, go to Volume, and adjust the call or ringtone volume slider to maximum. Another method, reset app preferences. Sometimes certain app or system settings can interfere with the call volume. Go to Settings, General Management, Reset all settings. This will reset all default app settings without deleting data. Last method, factory reset. If none of the above methods work, you can try performing factory reset to eliminate any software-related issues causing low call volume. Back up your data first, then go to factory data reset. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.